Another day, another house. If you're someone na naghahanap ng more privacy, more space, at more room for customization, welcome to Talanay Homes. Dito sa Talanay, we have two options. And today, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang Agoho model, a single attached house with 3 bedrooms. Makikita nyo na maluwag ang lot area nito, with a minimum of 72 square meter. Tara, pasok tayo sa loob. Ang floor area naman is 62 square meter. Talanay Homes is located in Barangay Sapang Biyabas, Mabalakad, Pampanga. Location-wise, malapit ito sa SM Hypermarket, Dao Terminal, SM Clark at Clark Airport. Kaya super accessible and convenient para sa mga future homeowners natin. Upon turnover, fully finished na siya except sa movable items. Aakyat naman tayo sa second floor. Dito, makikita nyo rin ang isa pang toilet and bath. And of course, ito ang sample ng possible style kung paano nyo gustong i-design at i-furnish ang bahay once you move in. Kung family of 4 kayo, perfect itong 2 bedrooms para sa mga kids. This unit is available through Pag-ibig or bank financing. At pwede ka nang mag-reserve for only 10,000. Now, let's check out the master bedroom. Ang highlight dito, meron itong sariling access to the balcony. At kung interested ka, just comment how below para mag-guide kita kung paano ka makakapag-avail ng Agoho model dito sa Talanay Homes. Thank you for joining this house tour and see you on the next one. Bye!